So they have given 99 reforms. And which reform? Morley and Minto. Morley was the Secretary of the State. Who is the powerful? And thereafter Minto. And from 1906 to 1911, who is the Governor General or Viceroy? Minto. Understood it? And this is the condition it has come. Let's see. अब ये सब बेवकूफ बनाने का काम है, मतलब everywhere trying to make you as much fool as much, trying to increase. One thing that you will always observe, they will try to increase the power. Yes, numbers are increasing, legislative council and here, there. But ultimately power is in the hand of officials and Governor General. And then slowly our people stood to realize, acha, fear again started preparing for another. So this is the situation. Therefore we should understand that every Indian constitutional development, and then I said that in 1900 commonly known as Morley-Minto reform brought about a limited increase in the involvement of Indians in the governance of the British India, and then Morley, the liberal secretary of the state, and then conservative governor general Minto believed that the cracking down on uprising in Bengal was necessary but not sufficient for restoring the stability of the British Raj after Lord Curzon's partitioning of the Bengal. क्योंकि जो partitioning of Bengal था, तो there is a people has been raised itself, but to some extent they are thinking toward is they should do something good for the society, so that उनको power को जो उनका irritation है, their anger है, that can be suppressed. But even then they said that our point of view is not sufficient for them to suppress their views. और ये हुआ, and that has been happened. Extremists come out, yes or not? Extremists come out, and then क्या दिखाया इन्होंने, क्या दिया? And then they believe that the dramatic step was required to put heart into loyal elements of the Indian. कैसा effort? Dramatic step which required to put heart into the loyal element of the Indian upper classes and growing westernized section of the population. तो मैं इनके अंदर में थोड़ा सा point डालूं, इनको खुश करूं, that kind of it. They can do something. The size of the legislature both at central and provincial level again enlarged. And how much it become? Number of the members of the legislative council at the center was increased from 16 to, नंबर नहीं पूछा जाएगा, मैं इसमें लिखने के लिए काम आएगा, नंबर यहाँ पे नहीं पूछा जाएगा, जहाँ पे बोलूंगा वहाँ पे याद कर लेना आपको. 16 to 60. It was fixed as 50 in the province of Bengal, Madras and Bombay, and rest provinces it was what? Smaller provinces 30. Understood? कोई फायदा है? They keep on increasing. That what is an? They have central provinces पे क्या हो गया? Central पे कितना बढ़ा के कर दिया? Yes, 16 to 60. And at the provincial level it becomes 50, and there is a small provinces are there, it becomes 30. The members of the legislative council both at the center and provinces were to be of 4 categories. Ex officio member, you must be understanding. They are somewhere already in the office, and then also having one charge of office, another. So there is an इसका मतलब it is also showing the official ex officio member, governor general, the members of the executive council. Nominated official members, those nominated by the governor general and were government officials. तो जो nominate किया जाएगा, who will nominated by Mr. what? Governor general. It must be which one? Officials. Nominated official members, nominated non-official members, nominated by the governor general but were not government officials, and some elected members elected by different categories of Indian people. आपने देखा था कैसे कैसे Indian peoples को elect कर रहे थे. So which are the way that is the members are there in the different legislative councils? Ex officio members, yes, nominated officials, nominated non-officials, and some are elected. Understood it? Understood? This is the thing it has been given. And thereafter I said that in provincial council, non-official majority was introduced. In 1992, non-official majority was existing or not? 40% I have said, 2/5. It should be how much? So it was not there. On the paper it was not there, and in actual it was not there. Yes or not? So in provincial council, non-official majority was introduced. However, since some of the non-officials were nominated, and overall non-elected majority remained. I said that. However, since some of the non-officials were nominated, means I said that non-official majority हो गया. हमने क्या बोला था? There should be some elected. There should be some also what? लेकिन इसमें जो non-official रहे, major it is what? I said that non-officials were nominated. Overall, non-elected majority remained. Elected majority नहीं रही. Nominated majority ज़्यादा रहा. Is it source representation? Does it source representation? Representation will be there when you are electing someone. And when we are nominating someone, automatically, क्या मैंने दिखाया? Ex officio, nominated officials, nominated non-officials, and then there is an elected. Elected member तो बहुत ही कम रहे. Very hardly I have said that who is making the elected member? Indirectly election. And who is the indirectly election? I said that at the provincial level they are giving us to the what is the central legislative council, and at the provincial legislative council there is an what urban infrastructure is provided, urban board, municipalities, universities, chamber of commerce, they are providing, they are electing indirectly. So finally यहाँ पे अभी भी we are watching what we are watching. Elected members are very less, non-elected members are more. Understood? Simple. अभी मैंने बात ही क्या किया है? हमने अभी तो यही बोला 16 to 60. Yes or not? And then it become, I said that 10 to 16 था ना वहाँ पे. That become what? In 1892, 10 to 16, and 16 to it become 60. And thereafter I said that it will be 8 to 20. That has become, what is it? 50. यही तो हुआ. There I talked about 8 to 20, and here I am talking about, and some other small province also comes, and there will be a 30. यही तो बात किया. And which are the ex-official, non-officials are there? And which are the non-officials are there? Nominated, and one nominated officials, and then elected. यही तो थे. और इसमें भी मैंने क्या देखा? Ultimately you are finding who is there? Nominated. Who is there more? Nominated. And who is very, very, very less? Yes. The mode of election was कैसा था? Indirect. The local bodies were to elect on the electoral college, which would elect the members of the provincial legislation, and in turn had to elect members of the central legislature. I said that the local bodies were to elect an electoral college, and which would elect the members of. तो एक कॉलेज बनाया गया. सपोज मैंने बोला your income is, you are giving the income tax, you are educated person, something like this. If I say that electoral college should have this quality, electoral college should have this quality, तो कितने आएंगे इलेक्शन में वोटिंग करने के लिए? If I said that you are paying income tax, and income tax is beyond 250 rupees per year, and then you have an, what is an, I said that graduation, कितने होंगे हमारे इंडिया में at that time? At that time, how many this kind of such structure? Just I am saying you, very less. Automatic elected member will, or it means elected member will, and ये अभी किसको बना रहे हैं? These are the electoral college to appoint then provincial legislative council, and then provincial legislative council will provide the level of central legislative council. यही तो देखा अभी हमने. पहले 1892 में we have seen that who is appointing the members to the central legislative council? Provincial legislative council. So I said that local bodies were to elect an electoral college which would elect the members of provincial legislature, which in turn had to elect members of. समझ में आ गया? The act has enlarged the function of councils as well. The members of legislative councils were permitted to discuss the budgets. मतलब लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल्स के फंक्शंस बढ़ गए. अब क्या आ रहा है? मजेदार चीज आ रहा है जिसपे हम लोग हंस सकते हैं. The legislative councils were permitted to discuss the budget, suggest the amendments. वाह क्या बात है, amendments we can suggest. Even to vote separate items in the budget. हम लोग बजट में कोई पॉइंट भी लगे विल सजेस्ट कर देंगे, अमेंडमेंट होगा. बट द बजट एज होल कुड नॉट बी. तो सजेशन का क्या करोगे आप? अचार लेके डालोगे समटाइम्स. सर दीज आर द सजेशन गिवन बाय द मेंबर्स, नॉन ऑफिशियल मेंबर्स. क्या करें सर? दिल्ली के नाला में डाल दो. दीज आर द थिंग्स. व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ इट? मीन्स कितने अच्छे लाइन दिख रहे हैं. How good it is. Enlarge the functions of concepts. पहले भी बढ़ाया था उन्होंने. What are they after the question? Discuss it. But क्या है? 6 days prior notice, only one question, no supplementary. यहाँ पर भी क्या कर रहे हैं? Yes, legislative councils were permitted to discuss the budget and suggest the amendments. सबसे बड़ी तो चीज लग रही है suggest the amendments. Sir, this should be the change. And even to vote separate items in the budget, but the budget as a whole could not be. जब voted up होगा तो इसका मतलब what you have given it will be. मेरा बोलना तो बेकार है. It's my point of view is not going to be considered because you are the what is the ultimate authority, and you know we know that who are you. British extremists are knowing that who are they. But the budget as a whole could not be voted. There were certain non-voted items in the budget. They were also entitled to ask supplementary question during the legislative proceeding, and they had right to discuss any matter of public importance and adopt resolution, though they were not binding on the. कितने अच्छे से कह रहे थे. अभी आपको लग रहा था सर ने ये बताया. अब तो कुछ चीजें हैं. We can again. There are some non-voted items are there जिसमें वोट नहीं होगा. इसका मतलब it looks like okay, it can be Indians can put their point of view, and then non-voted items, and they also entitled to ask supplementary question. कितना अच्छा लग रहा है ना. We can ask supplementary question, and during the legislative proceedings they had right to discuss any matter of public importance. You can ask them. Sir, यहाँ पे we do not have been able to. Sir, the sanitation problem is there in my school, colleges. There is some kind of books I need, and then there is some kind of student need a stipend and all. Put point of view. Supplementary questions सब डालो. Proceeding में they had right to discuss any matter of public importance and adopt resolution. आप resolution भी adopt कर सकते. कितनी बड़ी बात. लेकिन finally, though they were not binding on the. So they are completely बोलते हैं if there is a budget there is a non-voted, but in the budget there could be some points it is in a non-voted items where there will be vote नहीं होगा, but you can what is in a put your suggestion. We can go for resolutions also, but it is the government. It is not necessary that he is binding to accept it. Understood? दिख रहे हैं कैसे धीरे धीरे बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं. एंड देन उस समय लोग पढ़कर देखते होंगे आज तो हमारे पास रिफाइंड वे में रियलाइज करते करते 2-4 साल निकल जाते थे. जब इनिशियल स्टेज में पढ़ते थे ना दे आर वेरी हैप्पी यार. इट हैज बीन इन लास्ट. नहीं आप ही सोचो ना. एक मैं आप जस्ट सोचो कि आप किसी सर्वेंट को रोड को घर पे लाकर रख दिए हो. वो बोलेगा यार मैं अच्छे घर में आ गया. बाद में उसका कितना एक्सप्लॉयटेशन होता है उसको वही नहीं पता है. So this is the condition that he is not knowing what is going in happen in the daily by the people. So यहाँ पर भी ऐसा ही हो रहा है. मतलब हमें नहीं पता है कि क्या है. अभी तो दिख रहा है ना कि एक्चुअली में. So I said that मजा आ गया. मेजोरिटी किसकी थी. So हम लोगों ने क्या देखा अभी till now in 1909 reform they have enlarged the. I said that it has been said that whatever the platform created by Mr. Karjan, they are not happy with the people, but they are also happy. But they are thinking how to suppress the point of view. Yes or not? Of the people of India. We can get into the heart of the people. They started thinking. And in between, what they have given? Increasing the legislative council. And what is the legislative council? Central level. And what is the provincial legislative council? 20 to 50, and somewhere 30 also. Yes or not? They have increased, and they are very happy that the what is the legislative function has been increased. Legislative function has been, and which are the people are there in this one? Yes, tell me. Which are the people are there? Ex officio member, nominated officials, nominated non-officials, and then. And nominated non-official. जब भी नॉमिनेट करता तो कौन करता था? गवर्नर जनरल. हु इज डूइंग दिस? गवर्नर जनरल. लेकिन इलेक्टेड में कैसे होता था? इलेक्टोरल कॉलेज. और उनके लिए भी जो इलेक्टोरल कॉलेज है इट इज अ वेरी टफ. एंड इलेक्टोरल कॉलेज विल गिव एन व्हाट प्रोविंशियल लेवल पे इलेक्शन इलेक्टेड मेंबर, एंड प्रोविंशियल इलेक्टेड मेंबर, एंड देन दिस ग्रुप विल होल प्रोविंशियल ग्रुप विल गिव Central Legislative Council, some elected members. So we have seen that finally, what is there? Non-elected members are more, and elected members are very less. यही तो अभी तक देखा हमने. And they have said that budget is what voted, non-voted. Yes, but there are some non-voted items are in which the members can put their view, amendments, suggestions. They can go for resolution, but it is not necessary to what? Government is binding on it. Understood you? तो कैसा दिख रहा है? बहुत कुछ अच्छा लग रहा था, अचानक फिर क्या है? गड्ढे में डाल दिया. Suddenly you are watching something and then again putting into ditch. The most controversial provision in the act was separate communal electorate. देखो कैसे very minute way में वो play करते हैं. How do they are minutely playing with the people minds. I said that. Suppose करो कि मैंने बोला electoral college for Muslims is 10th pass and electoral college for Hindu is 12th pass. Where the more number of students will be there? Merit electoral college, more member can vote. Muslim, ये वो कर रहे हैं. और साथ में electoral college में electoral separate electorate करने का मतलब ही it is what is the meaning of division of India? Yes or not? एक होता है reserved election. What is the meaning of reserved election? Huh? So what is the meaning of, what is the difference between separate electorate and reserved?